Today we're taking a look at a tiny, mighty, red riding machine ready for ripping right out of the box. Let's get into it. The truck we're talking about is the BlackZon Spryte, a 1/20th scale micro RC car available in 3 different colors and 2 slightly different styles, Monster Truck and the Stadium Truck we have today. The Spryte model features a 4-wheel drive drivetrain, metal gear diffs, and big ol' Monster Truck tires that are fairly soft. The body has a great Traxxas-ish looking scheme with a sick little light bar. It's also partially clipless, having 2 body clips with grips in the rear and a clip system up front. It does have double wishbone suspension, but the shocks are not oil filled, so it does have some springy bounce to it. Under the dust cover, it's hiding a 290 size brush motor, 2-in-1 ESC/2.4 GHz receiver combo, and a bell crank setup with servo saver. Also included in the box, you will get a USB style charger, a couple spare body clips, and a 7.4 volt 600 mAh LiPo battery. The included radio is a tiny little guy, but it does feature a throttle limiter along with trim adjustments. Don't forget, BlackZon is owned by the parent company of HPI and Maverick. It's their lowest level entry brand, so let's see if it lives up to the same expectations we have for its bigger brothers. That's everything you need to know to get caught up with the BlackZon Spryte. Time to get out and bash this thing.
Him and these fat wheelies. I know what's wrong with it.
Ain't got no gas in.
Oh, if it had gas in it, that'd be horrible.
Oh, Odell Beckham, who?
Oh, he got it with 3 fingers, so I wouldn't be talking too much smack. Wow.
Rocket update from the spinner missile video. Still up there, still at the top of the tree. A little hard to see in the video, but still stuck. We'll get it down one of these days. We'll see. Tiny car, big pipeline. If it does make it down it, I think the grass is going to slow it down. So it's not going to be too crazy when it hits the bottom anyway, but we'll see.
Yeah.
So much quicker on a smooth surface. It feels just 10 times faster when the suspension's not going.
Oh. Oh. Dirt clips. Oh. Whoa. Ow! Oh boy.
Oh, me. And the battery's dead because it's not moving.
His worst nightmare just happened. It's stuck on the roof. You can't even see because I'm not even anywhere near it. He just stuck it on the roof like an idiot. It is on its hood. No joke. When the battery's out. The battery, you can see it. That right there. Wait, hold up. Right there. That's the RC.
Okay, tie strap method work. It is off the roof. Looks good.
Yeah, it's getting broken.
Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for the BlackZon Spryte. This truck is really, really fun for what it is. It goes through off-road terrain really well. You do notice the non-oil filled shocks though. They are very, very, very springy on the loose gravel and rough terrain. That being said, the truck is tougher than snot. We beat it up pretty good today. The battery has a very good lifespan. It's not the quickest truck out there. Definitely on the slower side, especially for it's slightly bigger than micro size, but that's all the more reason to go ahead and drop a brushless conversion in this thing. So if you're interested in the BlackZon Spryte, links will be down in the description below to all the different colorways we have in stock, as well as a link to all the parts if you already have one of your own and needing some spares or upgrades. And as always, if you want to head directly over to our website, you can go to www.naughtyboys.com. And remember, keep it naughty.